I might just be a kid, but the difference between the standard MasterTouch 5750 and the MasterTouch Premium 5755 are simple. The standard MasterTouch comes in 4 colours: black, smoke, slate and ocean blue. Let me tell you the similarities between the two. Both are the same size and shape, built-in lid thermometers, metal heat-proof shelf, rust-proof aluminium lid vent, good for controlling temperature, T-shaped bowl vents which also help to control temperature, all-weather wheels, bowl handle with handy tool hooks, one touch cleaning system handy for disposal of ash, eye grill bracket to place your digital thermometer, and here's what you're here for, the differences. The standard MasterTouch has triple plated gourmet barbecue system grates. Premium version has the same style grates but in the superior material of stainless steel. Not only that, but with the Premium MasterTouch you get a gourmet barbecue system cast iron sear grate, great for searing your steaks. The lid on the standard MasterTouch can be lifted off the bowl and be placed into a handy lid holder. The MasterTouch Premium has a built-in lid hinge that can be detached should you wish to use a Weber rotisserie. It is possible to smoke on the standard MasterTouch, but it takes quite a bit of skill. With the Premium version, smoking brisket is child's play. A charcoal ring and diffuser plate keeps temperature down and food away from direct flame. Perfect for big lumps of meat that need several hours of low and slow heat. To place an order or to find out more, then visit our website WowBBQ.co.uk.